How to fix a Makita combi drill. This is the DHP453. Motor's working, speed 2 is working, speed 1. Gear stripped out and speed 1. So that's a gearbox problem. How to fix it, nice and cheap. 2 ways you can do it. Buy a new part, whole new gearbox from Makita, costing about €50. Or get yourself an old Nicad drill, 18 volt, 8391D, if you have one of these lying about. Gearbox is exactly the same. Replace the whole gearbox, or you can replace the part you need. So we'll use this to fix this. First of all, let's get onto this one. Fixing a 453 with a 453. Just give a wee twist and the two halves pull apart. Get onto this one. Same motor, same gearbox, same process. Give it a wee twist and a wee pull. The only thing different is the switches and the type of battery it takes. Get rid of that one. This is all we want. If you want to change everything together, you'll also have to remove the chuck, which can be a bit tricky. Other option is to just replace the broken part. That is the only part you need. That is the gear casing for the Makita gearbox. Forget about the rest. Clean this before fitting it on here. That's her washed out. As you can see, the plastic teeth down in here are all still attached. This is what locks up this metal gear on your selector ring. Get that fitted onto this. Take this gearbox apart fully. Twist that washer. As you can see in that one, teeth are completely stripped out and gone. That's why she's slipping in second gear. The part's nicely cleaned up. Also, from the old drill, don't throw out this wee gear. You want to keep these little pins. You can use these pins to repair the new Makita brushless heavy duty drill 451. I'll show how to use those in a repair video later. Square tab on here locates into there. Click that on. screw it back together. That's your gearbox. Don't forget about this little leaf spring. Just slides in there. Push them together and give them a twist. That's it, installed. Close her up. And that's her. Speed 2. Speed 1. That's her. That's how you repair a Makita DHP453 with a Makita 8391D using a Makita 453.